Hi, I'm interior designer Mikel Welch, and I'm also a new author, and welcome to Welch Manor. The inspiration behind the design all started from a trip to the English countryside. I got obsessed with the Cotswolds. You're going to see lots of lush, English-inspired greenery throughout the space. Let's go check out the inside. So now we're in my living room. The ceilings are about 8 feet tall, so this is just like a quintessential English style Tudor cottage. As I was designing this space, I wanted to also play into that. It's important for me to make the home and the pieces tell the same story. So there are a lot of antiques in this space. You know, of course, I'm known for collecting objects from Italy and France, and I brought and incorporated a lot of those pieces into the design. So now that you've seen my living area, let's check out the space where I probably spend the second most amount of time in the house. That's the dining room. So now we're in my dining room, which has become one of my favorite spaces in the house. I love it because I have this really dramatic mural wallpaper. Again, it's channeling that English countryside vibe that's just like iconic with any design that you're gonna see out in the Cotswolds. The mix that I always say is for every vintage piece, there needs to be a modern piece. And I'm so in love with these new dining chairs. I just love the curvature that it has here in the wood. I love my dining room. Welcome to my bedroom. I wanted to kind of play homage to that traditional old school lifestyle. So I went with the traditional steel bed, as you can see here. I wanted the drapery to be the star of the show in this room. And I just love how it adds an extra layer. The other area where I probably spend a little more time would be my desk area. And then at the end of the day, I finally get to rest and go outside to the backyard, because that is where I like to relax. One of the biggest inspirations that I keep talking about is the Cotswolds out in England. So the Cotswolds is kind of like a storybook town, and I wanted to bring that storybook feel here to Los Angeles when I designed the space. One of the things that I kind of brought back from my trips were the love of herbs and vegetables. When you're at many of the restaurants, you will see a lot of the vegetables and herbs right there on the table. And so I wanted to bring that here, and I actually cook with these herbs every single night. It doesn't stop there, my friends. I decided to get a little unconventional here. This is where I do literally spend every morning before I get ready to go to work. When I have parties, I'll fill the bathtub with ice, and then I'll actually lay all the drinks here so that it just gives a more theatrical moment. But I'm telling you, these tubs, there's so much that you can do with them outside of actually just sitting in the bathtub. And this is why I love my outdoor area. All right, friends, well, I think you have seen every nook and cranny at Welch Manor. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, take care.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.